I was scrolling through YouTube the other day and I found this a quotes posting channel that uploads AI-generated videos of boys' facts, girls' facts, etc. Look at the views. So I did what a normal teenager would do. Yes, I jumped to Social Blade to see how much he is making from these shorts. And look at that. He is making around $1,300 up to $20,000 from these. So let's give it a go. First step, let's create a YouTube channel.
What?
Now we need a channel name open to ChatGPT. Write something to Rizit mission successful. Now ask it to generate some YouTube channel names. And some more. And some more. This one sounds good now. Second step, go to Canva to generate some logos. Done. Let's upload that now. We need a channel banner. Go to Canva, search YouTube banner. Done. Upload that. Let's jump back to ChatGPT. I am going to teach ChatGPT the method of generating these quotes. The quotes should be in two parts such that the first quotes intrigues the viewers to listen. The second part of appreciate ChatGPT and ask it to generate 30 of these quotes. Done. Now ask it to organize it as an Excel data style. ChatGPT was high that it couldn't understand what I was asking for. After some dealing, we finally got on good terms. Now head back to Canva, search mobile videos. Create a blank template. Now in design, search quotes. Select a template you like. Now we need 3 text box, first one for our theme, second one for first part, and third one for second part. You can also use a text box for your channel name. Now copy one quote from the quotes ChatGPT generated. Paste it and adjust the size and position of each text box. Done. Give each text box a background so the text is visible. Now let's adjust the time of each text box. Right-click on each text and click Show Timing to adjust timing. The first part should be around 6 seconds, then 1 second pause. The second part should be 2 seconds. It will most likely be not readable during 2 seconds, so the viewers will reply the video again. Which means,
here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money.
Dollar, dollar.
after that, click on Apps and search Bulk Create. This is the magic part. Click Enter Data manually. Now copy the quotes and paste it here. Now, right-click on each text and connect it to its data. Click on Continue. Make sure all the quotes are selected. Now click on Generate and voila, 30 shorts ready. You can change the background of each if you are that jobless friend on Tuesday. Now go to YouTube. Select Create Video. Locate the videos you downloaded from Canva. Give it a title. If you want, you can ask ChatGPT for a description. Ask it to generate a description for video called Girls Fact. Copy and paste it. Now ask it to create some keywords for your video that will help ranking your video. Copy and paste it. Now make all the settings and upload it. You can also edit each video individual and add some music to it. I will upload on that channel for 7 days and get back to you with the results, so stay tuned. Also, I will be uploading more videos of generating video, reels, and shorts in the coming days, so like and subscribe. Hope it goes well for you. Have a nice day. Good luck.
Who cares? Who cares, man? Who cares, brother? Who cares? Today, smash.